Muscle is a soft tissue in a human or animal body, constructed of skeletal muscle tissue, blood vessels, tendons and nerves. There are over 600 skeletal muscles within the typical human body, and they account for 42% of body weight in humans. The muscular system serves three major functions in the body: producing motion, providing stabilization, and has a significant role in generating heat. There are three types of muscle in the body: skeletal, voluntary muscles that move the body, arms and legs, and are connected to our bones via tendons; smooth, involuntary muscles found within the walls of internal organs like stomach, intestine, bladder and blood vessels; cardiac, the muscle of the heart. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles stimulated and controlled by the brain and the somatic nervous system. Our brain is the central processing unit. Nerve fibers from the brain run down the spinal cord and branch out in networks to every skeletal muscle that moves. A skeletal muscle is a bundle of many cells called fibers. A muscle fiber contains many myofibrils, which are cylinders of muscle proteins. These proteins allow a muscle cell to contract. Muscles work by expanding and contracting. When a muscle fiber gets a signal from its nerve, proteins and chemicals release energy to either contract the muscle or relax it. When the muscle contracts, this pulls the bones it's connected to closer together. The muscles are forced to work in pairs because they can contract and relax, but cannot push or stretch themselves when working alone. An example of this is the biceps and triceps in our arms. When the biceps contract, the triceps will relax. This allows our arm to bend. When we want to straighten our arm back out, the biceps will relax and the triceps will contract. Muscle pairs allow us to move back and forth. Smooth muscles are under involuntary control and not attached to bone. They have numerous functions. Smooth muscles move food through the digestive tract. Smooth muscles in arteries and veins are largely responsible for regulation of blood pressure. Smooth muscle in our lungs helps the airway to expand and contract as necessary. Cardiac muscle is also under involuntary control and is found only in the heart. The sudden burst of contraction forces blood throughout our body. When the cardiac muscle relaxes, the heart fills with blood. This rhythmic contraction must continue for our whole life.